For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A day after the death of a 19-year-old Dalit woman who was raped and murdered by 4 men in Hathras of Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has formed a 3-member SIT to probe the case. Furthermore, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to him over the incident and has asked for the strictest punishment against the accused.
Respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has spoken on the incident of Hathras and has said that strict action should be taken against the culprits.
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has directed the SIT to submit its report within 7 days.
The culprits of the unfortunate incident with the girl in Hathras will not survive. A special investigation team has been formed to investigate the case. This team will submit its report in the next 7 days. In order to ensure speedy justice, the case will be tried in a fast-track court.
The special investigation team will be headed by Home Secretary Bhagwan Swarup and Deputy Inspector General of Police Chandra Prakash and IPS officer Poonam. On September 14th, the 19-year-old woman who had accompanied her mother to the farm was brutally assaulted and tortured by 4 men from her village. She was later admitted to Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital, where she succumbed to grievous injuries. The 19-year-old rape victim had also suffered multiple fractures, paralysis, and a gash in her tongue. However, the victim's family members allege that her body was whisked away for cremation by the Uttar Pradesh police. Furthermore, the victim's brother claimed that the cops locked the relatives and family members in their homes. The family claimed that the woman's body was taken away by the police in the middle of the night for final rites.
अपनी मर्जी से लगाई है उन्होंने। हम लोगों को डर है पुलिस वालों को, वो हमारे साथ जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं, वो वहाँ शमशान ले जाने के लिए। जी, हमने बोला है कि सुबह हम लगाएंगे, हमारे जो भी परिवार के लोग हैं वो बोल रहे हैं कि सुबह लगाएंगे, रात हो गई अभी। सरकार से हम यही कहेंगे कि हमें न्यायिक जांच होनी चाहिए उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार से हमारा।
According to the villagers, the body of the woman reached her village around midnight and the cremation was done by 3 a.m. Meanwhile, the local administration denied any urgency in cremating the victim's body.
और लगभग 1-1.25 घंटे वहाँ पे खड़ा रहा और उसके बाद इन्हीं की सहमति से उसका अंतिम संस्कार किया गया है और इन्हीं के परिजन वहाँ पे उपस्थित थे। ये आरोप लगाना बिल्कुल गलत है कि इनकी मर्जी के विरुद्ध। 12:45 से लगभग 2:30 बजे तक वो गाड़ी यहीं पे रही है।
On the other hand, all the 4 accused have been arrested and will be charged with murder. The brutality against the teenager has sparked outrage across the country, with several political leaders condemning the Uttar Pradesh government. Even Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi criticized Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for the death of Hathras rape victim. Yogi Adityanath resigned. Instead of protecting the victim and her family, your government became complicit in depriving her of every single human right, even in death. You have no moral right to continue as Chief Minister. Meanwhile, the Uttar Pradesh police are under scrutiny over alleged lapses in conducting a fair probe.